Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Is your create table option grayed out in Notepad on Windows 11? Don't worry, I will show you a quick fix in just a few steps. First, open Microsoft Store. Type Notepad in the search bar. Click Update to install the latest version of Notepad. This fixes the grayed out create table option. Now restart Notepad. The create table option should be active and ready to use. And that's it. Quick and simple. If this helped, like this video, subscribe and hit the bell for more Windows 11 tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.